Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to uninstall Comet AI Browser completely from your computer. Let's get started. First, make sure that Comet AI is fully closed. Don't just close the browser window. Right-click your taskbar and open the Task Manager. And at the top, you can search for Comet. If you see any Comet AI process running, click on them and select End Task. Next, go down to the search bar and type uninstall. Then open Add or Remove Program. In the search up box, type Comet. Once the Comet AI appears, click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm. And when prompted, make sure to check the box that says also delete your browsing data to remove all related files. Click Uninstall and the Comet AI will now be completely removed from your computer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.